Have you ever had one of those projects where it feels like more things went wrong than right? Ha! I got hired for a pretty big 3 day land management project that involved two guys, two machines. We use a Bobcat T190 with the mulching head for clearing woody areas, and for the pasture, we use the John Deere 2038R with the quick attach brush thrasher. However, during those 3 days, we had some bumps. We do get feedback from time to time, customers that want to hire us for general land management projects, but end up saying, well, your rates are a little high. For all you contractors out there, this video shows you why you should stick to your guns about your pricing. Charge what you're worth. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. For you are the one taking on the risk to injury, or in this case, damage to your machinery. For all you consumers out there that are looking to hire a land management company, this is why we cost what we cost. Take a look. Well, it's early morning. We got a job about an hour and a half away. Mulcher, brush hog. Gonna do a round robin, gonna pick up the tractor with the brush hog. Got a lot of ground to cover, so let's get going. Well, we're gonna go brush hog all this. As far as the eye can see, we had the Bobcat mulching over here. Got a lot of work to do. Two machines. Let's get her done. Conrad, what'd you do?
Just looking to have some fun today.
Whoa! That's a new high score. That's a lot.
That's a big bird's nest.
Heck of a deal. There we go. We will throw a new fitting on that and we'll get back at it. Got a whole bag of spares here. That's a drive shaft going to the mechanical front wheel drive. That don't look good. Okay, we're making progress, but I mean that's a whole lot of stuff. We're just taking, a handsaw and trying to cut our way through it, just sawing back and forth. There's got to be a better way here. That's crazy. That's a big pile of bound up leaves and a couple sticks. But we got her all cleaned up, front to back, took the cover off, took this cover off. It's just a spin. And you got to get up all the way into that universal joint, that output-input shaft. Wow. Okay, day 2 of compact tractor forestry work. We're getting things cleaned up. It's looking good. Stopped for a moment to give a quick update and show you why I stopped. We got, I don't know, it's just been garbage after garbage. So right here, I don't know. Well, that's a fence post. Okay. So hit a fence post, no big deal. Oh, this area that's all been cleaned up. Oh, the mosquitoes are out. Looked identical to this. Is that forestry? I don't know. Leave a comment. But what I do know, hit kind of a junkyard here. So I was walking right here. Let's see. Right, I ain't gonna touch it. But that's a boot, or a leftover of a boot. But that isn't what stalled the tractor. We got, what do we got? Let me flip you around here. So what is this? That's a hubcap to that Cadillac? Could be a Cadillac. But anyways, this is what stopped the tractor, so yep. An old tire. That stopped me flat dead in my tracks. So, yeah. Well, onward and upward. Still quite a bit to do. Well, here's a look at what the project looked like before and what it looks like after. When mulching or mowing down overgrown areas, pastures, you are bound to find some treasures. This customer assured us they picked up everything that posed a hazard, but even the most well-meaning client isn't perfect, and to their credit, they bought this property years after the brush took over, burying all sorts of secrets with it. Still, these Easter eggs will undoubtedly cause damage to your machines and downtime. You need to plan for these things to happen, even if you had past jobs that have gone smoothly. Pack tools, allow for projects to take extra time, bring a first aid kit, and charge day rates, not hourly. Projects like these take days, not hours. In the end, the Bobcat and tractor were repaired on site and were able to drive off the lot. I did end up finding a piece of wire fencing in the back of my big tires on the tractor the next day when I went to go offload it and noticed I was dripping water from the liquid-filled tires. I had to make a trip to the tire shop. They were repaired for about $150. All of these unexpected mishaps affect your bottom line. Best to prepare for the worst, but hope for the best. Well, I hope you had fun watching all the random stuff we found, and hey, if you have any good stories about finding treasures, be sure to post it in the comments. Cheers from the Bulldog. I'm going to bed. But if you start peeking through right about there, I think you can start seeing the trailer and the back end of the dump truck. Client never could do that before. So, that said, I think we're going to close it out. You've seen me do it. You might be able to do it better. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. Above all, dedicating this one to the children. Teach the kids, love your kids, give them a hug. You never know what tomorrow's going to have. And let's face it, our kids today might be our future bosses. So take care of them. Take care of yourself. Cheers from the Bulldog, guys.